Welcome to our channel, Semantic Tech. We have some exciting news to share. The new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra model has made an appearance on the Walmart website even before its official launch. On the other hand, despite the titanium frame, the Galaxy S24 Ultra doesn't differ much from the Galaxy S23 Ultra in terms of weight. A renowned tech insider has revealed new details about this upcoming Samsung flagship, and they even have a real working Galaxy S24 Ultra model in their hands. Let's delve into the details. The informant known as Ice Universe has a real working Galaxy S24 Ultra model in their possession. While they shared some information, they blurred out the photo of the actual smartphone for security reasons. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's body is wider, shorter, and thinner compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This change in dimensions has led to a shift in weight distribution, creating the illusion that the Galaxy S24 Ultra is lighter than its predecessor. However, the actual weight is the same as the Galaxy S23 Ultra, despite previous reports suggesting it might be slightly lighter due to the titanium frame. In addition to this hands-on experience, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has also made its presence known on the Walmart website. The smartphone is still a couple of weeks away from its official unveiling, but many of its features are no longer secrets. The version listed on the American retailer's website comes with 256 gigabytes of internal storage in titanium black and boasts 12 gigabytes of RAM. It is associated with the telecommunications company AT&T. While the website currently shows the phone is out of stock, it confirms much of what was expected from the Galaxy S24 Ultra model. The official team presentation is scheduled for January 17 in San Jose, California. That's all for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel, Semantic Tech. Until the next video, take care of yourselves. Peace out.